Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Fisk, and today we're diving into finance. But guess what? It doesn't have to be boring. Get ready to transform your relationship with money because we're about to make finance sexy. First things first, let's clear the air and debunk some of those pesky financial myths. You know the ones. Finance is only for the wealthy, or that budgeting means living on bread and water. Let's start with a big one. You need a ton of money to start investing. False. Investing isn't just for Wall Street hotshots. With a little know-how, you can start investing with just a few dollars. Budgeting is actually about empowerment, making conscious choices so you can spend on the things you love without guilt. Get ready to be inspired because in this chapter, we're diving into real-life financial freedom stories. These aren't tales of overnight riches or lottery wins. Meet Jane, a single mum who was drowning in $50,000 of debt. She was overwhelmed and didn't know where to start. But then she discovered the power of budgeting, side hustles, and smart investing. She meticulously tracked every expense and found ways to cut unnecessary costs. Fast forward a few years, and Jane is now debt-free, traveling the world with her kids. Her journey wasn't easy, but her determination paid off. And then there's John, a teacher who always dreamed of starting his own business. He felt stuck in his 9-to-5 job, but didn't know how to make a change. He started a side hustle tutoring students online, saved every penny, and eventually quit his job to pursue his passion full-time. John invested in his education and networked with like-minded individuals. These stories are proof that financial freedom is within your reach. With dedication, smart planning, and a bit of creativity, you too can achieve your financial dreams. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, investing. But not just any investing, we're talking about sexy investment strategies. Forget about stashing your cash under the mattress. We're going to explore stocks, bonds, real estate, and even a little bit of cryptocurrency. We'll break down the hottest investment trends and give you the tools to make informed decisions. Remember, investing is about building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. Chapter 4. The Art of Budgeting and Making It Fun. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Budgeting? Where's the fun in that? It sounds like a chore, right? Something that restricts you and takes away your freedom. But trust me, budgeting doesn't have to be a drag. In fact, it can be quite empowering and even enjoyable when done right. Think of your budget as a financial GPS, guiding you towards your goals. Just like a GPS helps you navigate to your destination, a budget helps you reach your financial dreams. It's about taking control of your finances and freeing up more cash flow for the things you love. Imagine having extra money for that weekend getaway or those concert tickets you've been eyeing. We'll explore different budgeting methods, from the classic 50-30-20 rule to zero-based budgeting. Each method has its own unique approach and benefits. The key is to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. Maybe you prefer a more structured approach, or perhaps a flexible one suits you better. So, if travel is your passion, build it into your budget. Allocate funds specifically for your adventures and make it a priority. Life's too short to live on rice cakes and water. Enjoy the finer things within your means. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed choices. Celebrate your financial milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is progress and deserves recognition. Remember, a well-planned budget can lead to a stress-free and fulfilling life. So, let's make budgeting not just a necessity, but a fun and rewarding part of your journey. Chapter In the ever-evolving world of finance, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. That's why we're dedicating this chapter to exploring the hottest investment trends. From the rise of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology to sustainable and impact investing, we'll cover it all. We'll demystify the jargon, break down the risks and rewards, and provide insights to help you make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing in trends can be lucrative, but it's essential to do your research. The goal is to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the exciting world of investing. Chapter 8: Luxury on a Budget. Who says you need a trust fund to live a luxurious life? In this chapter, we're debunking the myth that luxury is only for the wealthy. We'll explore affordable travel hacks, from finding cheap flights to scoring deals on experiences. You'll learn how to travel like a jet-setter on a shoestring budget. We'll also delve into stylish living on a budget. From decorating your home with affordable finds to creating a capsule wardrobe, you'll discover that style is not about how much you spend. Remember, luxury is a state of mind, not a bank statement. way to a healthier financial future. You got this. There you have it, gorgeous. How to make finance sexy. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more financial empowerment tips and share it with your friends. Let's spread the financial love. And as always, if you have any questions or need a little extra support, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way.